Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to install Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX210 driver on your Windows computer because of this error, that is WirelessSetup.exe bad image, uusbrain.dll is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error. Error status is 0xC0000428. So if you are receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So the first step is to disable driver signature enforcement. Now for this you can press shift plus restart. So go to the start menu and then click on the power button, and when you click on restart you have to press the shift button on the keyboard. So on the keyboard you have to press the shift key, and while holding the shift key you have to click on restart in the start menu. So now you hold the shift key and then click on restart, or you can do that, or you can go to settings and then go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option, and then over here go to recovery, and over here you will see advanced startup option. So you can click on restart. Now you can do this as well, or you can press shift plus restart on the start menu. Now on this screen go to troubleshoot and then go to advanced option. Now over here you will see startup settings. Go to startup settings. Now click on restart. Now once you select restart, the seventh option over here is disable driver signature enforcement. So here this is the seventh option. So you have to press number 7, or you can press F7 on the keyboard. So I will press F7 on the keyboard, which will disable driver signature enforcement. So press the F7 key. On the top of the keyboard you will find the function key. Press F7. Now once that is done, you have to restart your computer once again. So once you're logged in, again restart your computer, and after the system restart, now you can try to install the driver, and you should not receive this error anymore. But still you're receiving the error. In that case you can use Intel driver and support assistant. Now for this you can, in Google you can type in Intel driver and support assistant and go to Intel website, and you can download this Intel driver and support assistant. Click on download, run this exe file, click on, in my case I see the repair option, so in my case I think this is already installed. So if you see the install option, install it. So let the installation complete, and once the installation is complete you can launch this Intel driver and support assistant. Let me launch. I think I already have it. So Intel driver and support assistant, once you install it you can launch this, and then it will scan your computer for drivers. So if there is any Wi-Fi driver available, it will give you an option to download. So you can download all, and then once the download is complete you can install all. So you can use Intel driver and support assistant to install your drivers. It may install other drivers too. So in my case it's installing the Wi-Fi driver, Bluetooth driver, and Intel Arc and Iris graphics Windows. And once the download is complete you will see install button. So Here you can see install button to install your drivers. So you can click on install or just wait for some time and then you can click on install all on the top. If you want to check this, you can check this. If you see this, so click on yes to allow and let the installation complete. Now, once all the installation are complete, you can restart your computer. So let all the installation complete and then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you should not receive this error and your driver should be installed. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.